Hey, I forgot to show y'all something. My guineas, my white turkey, and my guineas there. I'm waiting till they get bigger. Then my white, Snow White's what I named it, right there. And that's Snow White, the turkey. But that's my white guinea. And then I got these two, so they make babies. And then these two, well, there's three in there, but two, the females are the yellowish orange one and the white one. The black one's the male. And up in there, I got a bunch of chickens on eggs. Now I'm going down through there to feed the cows and horses and more chickens. Then I gotta go around the bend, walking with feed to feed more animals. So when it rains or flood and stuff, we bring all them animals up here, and we use this as the horse barn when it rains. Get everything from down there in the valley area. But yeah, they're a mess. But I love it. I love it. I get tired. Trust me, I get tired. But you know what? It's worth it at the end to save all these babies' lives. You know, sometimes I lose some. Sometimes I don't. I even got a cage out here for them to go into if they need to. Sprinkles drinking water. That's my little Sprinkles there. I love my Sprinkles. He's a bully though. I got chicken coops here. I just need to get this cut. See up there? Pecan tree. It's really crazy. This other pecan tree here. Then the walnut trees back there. I'm going to see if the turkeys are in the building up here. Make sure they still have food, water. So please, don't mind the mess. Whew. I got some chickens in there. They're fed. Scooter, Big Whitey, some back there roosting, making holes, Merge, some chickens down there. Don't look at the mess, please. Hot as ever. Walnut tree. No wonder all the turkeys back here hiding. They got the roof on Wayne's house back there. But with all the rain we're having, it's been on pause. Really can't do much. Ouch. So funny how they dig up dirt, cover themselves in it, turn over sideways. But that's what I want to show you. I'm sorry. So many different videos, but I'm still learning how to use this thing. I don't know where the pause button is. I don't know where nothing is on this button. This camcorder, really. My other camera broke, so can't use it no more. My phone, which it ain't an iPhone, it's an Android. It's so old that you can't film nothing. Load memory. There's a baby chick on the wood. Can y'all see it? Sorry I'm shaky. Just exhausted from walking that hill down, up and down to Mama Goats. Now I gotta go down there and feed the cows and the rest of the chickens and the roosters, the horses, you name it. I got 4 pigs down there too. The new baby goat and the mama goat that just born is in that building right there. It's a prenatal ward for my chicks, the goats, the baby pigs, everything baby before they go out here on the land. Goes in there for 2 weeks. Make sure they're healthy and don't need shots or nothing yet. Alright, I love you guys. God bless. Love each other. Prep, pray, and protect. And I will make some more videos as soon as possible. I love you guys. Godspeed. Later.